shaky.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Young School 455, and today we're making my first video. We're gonna be redoing my headliner. We're gonna be cleaning it up and spray painting it with some rust aluminum. I should have did my first video when I did my floorboard, cleaned it up, gutted the car out and stuff like that. But you know, I never picked the camera up, and my homeboys they keep telling me to pick the camera up. Hey, Cam, pick the camera up, man. You know, you young with it, you young, feel me? So I'm gonna pick the camera up. I always wanted to do this since I was, young. I grew up around old schools. I had, a couple cars. I'm just 19 for real, but, age don't matter when you grow up around stuff. So yeah, just stick around with me. Welcome to my channel. I'm just from Mobile, Alabama. Ain't not much to it. The weather down here is weird, so I try to be consistent as much as I can. Other than that, let's get to it. Well, alright, what we gotta do right here is we gotta clean this rest of this headliner that was right here, like it is saturated and decomposed. We gotta clean that off. Then come back with the wire wheel and be ready for some spray paint. So I end up finishing it on up. This is what it looks like after. Looks pretty good. I'm about to run to the parts store, go grab me a wire brush so I can get in between them little cracks and get over there. Just get in between. But other than that, it looks good. Man, I can you not. I don't know if I ever do that again, bro. The job gonna be hard, be the wire wheel part. That part right there is so tiring. Yeah, you gotta fight through the pain, man. This one I really want. I had a little Acura Integra, it got stolen, so yeah. This right here, this probably my revenge car, man. I'm coming hard. Gotta come hard, no days off. So I'm finna ride to the parts store. See if I can get the spray, the rust spray, and wire brush. Actually, I'm finna go to Harbor Freight, get a jack too, probably on sale. So yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. What's good, YouTube? It's the second day. I ain't gonna lie, man, that grinding wheel got the best of me the first day. But it's the second day, and I basically just came back with a little wire brush and went back on some few things that I really couldn't get with the angle grinder, But yeah, so we finna clean up this metal with some soapy water. Got it right here. With a clean little microfiber rag, clean it all up. Then we're gonna get the spray paint. A few steps closer. Let's get it started. I want to say it done dried up now. It looks like it's ready, in my opinion. It's all dried up. Ain't nothing there left. So now what we're finna do is let me walk on over here. Oh, shit. We're gonna use some of this rust reformer. use some of this and do 2 coats of that and top it off with some of this. I know I never used that product before. That's top coat, but I got it from AutoZone. So let's see if that works. So after the first coat, I'm gonna end up cleaning this inside and vacuum up. And I got another problem I gotta fix. I gotta take this window out, clean the seal, get all that old stuff off, and put some new down. I gotta open this trunk, clean the trunk out. And that's really it, for real. I mean, we just stepped closer to put it on the street. I just want to get it back to where it's stock interior right now. That way, you know, I know everything good, then focus on the outside. Not stay on the outside at all. So, yeah, it's time to get started. This is after the first coat. I didn't really mind how it look right now. I'll take it for what it is, my first time spray painting something. And then I'm looking over my head. Yeah. Look alright though. So now we're gonna let this dry for a little minute. Then we're gonna come back with another coat. Then we're gonna let that sit for 24 hours. Then in the morning, we're gonna come back with the top coat. And yeah, getting close. So I'm finally done now with the second coat. Now it's time to, we gotta wait till tomorrow to do the top coat. So to show you guys the finished product. Just the finish. You know, you can still see the lines, but anybody gonna see this though, gladly. Some of it look good, some of it don't, you know. Some of the coats thicker than others. Only because I was able to still see the roof. You know, a situation like this, you're able to still see the roof, you know. But yeah, so what I'm finna do now is I'm finna go ahead and get this water bottle right here. We're gonna clean this all over with this rag. And I still wanna clean out this trunk right here, but I'll wait till probably tomorrow while I clean out everything else. And when we do that top coat, I'll wait till tomorrow. Yeah, that'll be goddamn. So yeah, I'll catch you back tomorrow. That'll be all for today, really. Just clean everything up and throw the cover over it. That'll be all. Let it dry. Yeah, this process is going by pretty fast though. So yeah, catch you back tomorrow. Peace. What's good, YouTube? It's been a couple days since I last picked up the camera and started recording, but I've been working, you know. It's just been the same old process, and I ain't want to put all the same process in the same video over and over and over again. But I ended up wire wheeling my trunk and degreased it and put some metal prep down with the Pro 15 because I'm gonna put some Pro 15 over it, and then I'm gonna top coat it with some undercoat, the rubberized undercoat. I'm top coated with that, 2 coats of that. So this is how I look right now, as you can see. It's not really much done. I mean, it's getting out though. After this, we're gonna put the sound in there, and we should be able to order the carpet. We're gonna order that carpet, and then after we order the carpet, we're gonna, I just want to tune it, but after the carpet, I think I'm gonna put the carpet in, and then I'm gonna tune it up. Yeah, carpet, then tune up.